Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your computer's serial number. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and if we want to check the serial number, we can use the command prompt. You can go to your start menu, and then you're going to search for the command prompt, this one. Okay, open the command prompt, and here we have to type in this command, WMIC space BIOS space get space serial number. Okay, and after that you just need to click on enter, and you will get your serial number. And this is my serial number, guys. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check our computer serial number. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!